Hello, my name is Martin, and I want to welcome you to the Guaranteed Downline Club. We're very excited that you decided to join us. We're very happy that you're here, and I'm going to show you why you will be making a lot of money with the Guaranteed Downline Club. So what we're going to do right here, we are going to go over the Guaranteed Downline Club's compensation plan. Yes, a free club that actually has a compensation plan. Also, we're going to introduce the money plugin. So the money plugin, or MPI, we're going to show you that it is a optional product. If you can pay a one-time small fee, if you get it, we're going to show you how it will double the number of people that you'll get because it doubles your advertising. It also is going to double the money that you can make right here in the Guaranteed Downline Club. And so up here you'll notice we have month 1 through 12. So we're going to show you what would happen over a 12-month period. Okay, now we will probably join a paid program before the 12 months, of course, but we're going to join multiple programs. Then later on we'll join a second and a third and a fourth. The only difference is you are going to have more and more people following you each and every time as you continue to make money month after month, day after day here at the Guaranteed Downline Club. This club is amazing. The only one that gives you money for free, gives you money right here, right now, even before you join a paid program. Okay, so over here we're going to show you the number of members you can get as a free member. We're going to show you how much money you can make as a free member. And these are the people that will also follow you into the paid program, you being their personal sponsor. So any paid program that we join that actually pays like bonuses for people you personally sponsor. What if you had 1,000 people that followed you? They're your personal sponsors. Even if you only sponsored maybe 4 people, you could still have over 1,000 follow you because of your members passing every other member up to you. Also, what if they only paid $10 for a bonus for personally sponsored members? That means on launch day, you would make over $10,000 just as a bonus, not to mention the money you'll make in that program. But the MPI, or the money plugin, will show you here. You'll see how it's doubled what you could get here. It also is going to show you the money is doubled as well. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So what we're going to say here that you sponsored 4. Okay. Now this is going to show you the difference here and here if you have the money plugin or not. But when you sponsor 4, you normally have to pass up 2 members, right? Because every other member, so you keep the first, pass the second, keep the third, pass the fourth. But we're going to say that you just did 4 and that's it, and for the whole year. And we're going to say everyone else did the same thing. They just did 4 and they quit. So 4, that means they keep 2, pass up 2. So what would happen if you did that? Let's find out. If you did 4 and that's all you did for the whole year, look at this here. 8,190 people throughout the year. That's $4,095. That's really cool for you just bringing in 4 members. But look at this. If you had the money plugin, it would be over 16,380 members because the money plugin doubles your advertising efforts. The MPI would pay out $8,190 just for having the money plugin. This is amazing, folks, right here. So look how it works. You brought in 4, you kept 2, right? Well, so you had 2 members for that month because you passed up 2. Well, those 2 members, they have to pass up 2 also. So boom, you had 4. So that month you would have a total of you kept 2 and 4, that would be 6 people. And then those 4 pass up 2, so you got 8. Then those 8 passed up 2, so you got 16. Those 16 pass up 2, so you got 32. Those 32 pass up 2, 64. It goes all the way down like that. So that's pretty amazing. What would happen if you did that several months in a row? Let's find out. 4 times 5 is 20. Look at this here. 12,000. Look at that. That's pretty amazing. And you might say that's pretty good, right? I only did 4 months for there. I can make up to $12,000 right there. But why is this saying 15,000? Well, that's because the money plugin also has its own 3-level referral built into it, so you can make money for those people. So this what we did here. Let's say that you got the money plug-in. And let's say of all those people, the 24,060, only 10% of them got the money plug-in. Not 50%, not 80%, not 90%, just 10%. So 90% of the people that got in did not get the money plug-in. So what would that be? That would be a total of 2,406. That's an additional $3,609. So look at that. That's why you see 15,000 here. But it gets better. Let's say those 2,406 people, let's say they don't do as good as you. Let's say they don't get 10% of the people that they brought in to get the money plug-in. Let's say they only average 2. So instead of those people getting 10% each, they only average 2. What would that do? I mean, that's bringing it down, folks. What would that do? Well, let's find out. If they only average 2 each, that's an extra $14,436, a total of $18,000 in the special plan just for MPI members, making your total now $30,075. That's amazing. Look here, this hasn't changed, but boy has this. That's really has. Well, then it goes down one more level. Let's say those people, they do the same thing. They don't get 10% like you did, but they only average 2. What would that mean for you? If they were to just average 2, that's another $38,496, a total of $56,541. So that year you could be making $68,571. Now, I don't know about you, but that gets me excited. Now, I do want to stress here, this is not a guarantee of income. It's for illustrating purposes only. Illustrating purposes only. But this shows you how to do it. We really brought the numbers down. So just think about that. If 90% of the people that come in don't get the money plug-in, and only 10% of them do, you can still be making this much money with everyone else only averaging 2. Now, from our personal experience and our testing, we do know normally about 10% of the people, it'll go down to 9%, sometimes it goes up to 11%, but about 10% of the people will actually get the money plug-in. The other 90% won't be doing that, but guess what? They're losing out on all this extra money. But now, let me show you something important. You should try to knock it out of the park your first month. So let's say, you can keep going down like 4 a month, but look at this. There's 20 people over 5 months. Brought you over 68,000. What would happen instead of getting 20 people over 5 months? What would happen if you worked really hard and got 20 people on your first month? Would that make a difference? You think that's going to be over 65,000? Well, let's find out. $233,415. That's the difference if you knock it out of the park in the beginning. Get as many people in as you can. The Guaranteed Downline Club is still new. You can get people in right now. I mean, what other program pays you to give away money? You're giving away Roger's money. You're giving away my money. You're giving away money. Get people to come in, and guess what? They can do this here. So if you see the difference, if you get the money plug-in and you knock it out of the park on that first month, and you did nothing after that, and everyone else only did the 4 and past 2, right? We're not saying they're doing 20 each here. They're doing 4 and past 2. That's all they're doing, just like the other one. But since you knocked it out early, look at that, 233,000. Look at that. For your money plug-in, 40,950 just for having the money plug-in. Over 81,900 people to follow you into a paid program. Remember, if those people followed you into the paid program and they only paid a 10% bonus for personally sponsored, that's another $810,000 paid to you from the paid program. Now, of course, we know not all those people are going to come in, but I think we're going to see a lot of people. It won't be the small 1, 2, maybe 5% joining. Now we're maybe talking 20, 30, 50, 70, 80,000 or 80% or more. That's what we're going to be seeing. So again, this is amazing. This is how much money you could be making in the Guaranteed Downline Club before we even join the paid program. And that's why we will keep it going, because this goes to the 13 month, the 14 month, the 15 month, 2 years, 3 years from now. How big is your list going to be? How much money would you have made in the Guaranteed Downline Club? So again, I hope this really makes sense. I hope it brings it to home for you. Get as many people as possible. Even if you start off small, you'd be making thousands and thousands of dollars. And if you hit it off big, just think how much money you'll be making. We have people with over 100 people on their first week here at the Guaranteed Downline Club. So what does that mean for you? You can make a lot of money. Start small and build it up, or hit it now while you can. And remember though, get the money plug-in as soon as you can. It's a one-time small fee, and you can get that today by pushing the button below and ordering your money plug-in. Okay, once you get it, you have it for the life of your membership. This is amazing. This is really good. This is something that's going to change the lives of everybody. So thank you for watching. Thank you for looking at it. Get the money plug-in now and start promoting the Guaranteed Downline Club. Thank you.